Welcome back to another hip hop breakdown. Today we're talking about warm-ups, all right? Let's check it out. Bounce. Bounce to the front. Here's a march up, march back. March to the side. Come back. We got the kickball change to the front side. Tap the front, now we tap the back. Still kickball change. And we're gonna dip right here. Dip and up, down and up. Got 2 8 counts for that. It's like a 2-step. Maybe a little bounce forward. Not really bouncing to me, but more of a, okay. All right, so first off, I want to introduce my lovely assistant. This is Grace, and we are out of Cabrillo College today. All right, so I'm talking about warm-up because the thing is, whether it's a dance class or a Zumba class or any cardio exercise group class, usually the instructor will start with a warm-up. And what happens is I see a lot of beginning students who've never done warm-up before. Some of these simple moves that the instructors use to just get the body going. A lot of time it's easy to just forget, like to stay on beat. So anyways, we're doing a quick warm up here, and we want to show you the different, the different moves that goes in it. Okay, so this is how we do it here. First, we're gonna start with the bounce. I'm gonna do it with Grace right here. I'm gonna touch real quick. I will have videos specifically on each one of these moves and the techniques going on, but I'm gonna touch upon it real quick. Okay, here we go. We're gonna start with the bounce. 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. All right. Oh, I see Grace almost falling right there, but that's all right. So first thing we'll do is bouncing. In class, if you're in my class, you hear me explaining. Imagine that there's drums right in front of your knee and you're bouncing, so you're hitting the drum that's right in front of your knee. So let's check it out real quick. See right there. So the first 2 8 count, I'm stepping out. My legs I start together. Right on 1, I step out. Right when I land though, you see it, like right when I land, you see my legs are already bending and I hit right here. That's the 1. 1, 2, okay? And then 3, 4. I'm also adding the arms, all right? So I bend my knee, I bend my elbow at the same time. Bend, bend. Again, bend, bend. First 8 count side to side. Second 8 count, I'm going to the front, okay? As I go to the front, as I step to the front, I'm pivoting. I'm pivoting right here, so my body's facing the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can see my head going up and down, up and down. That's my bounce, but that's because my knee's bending. That's what you're supposed to do, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. So here's a good example. When you first start, if you have your knee, that's good. The second level I tell people to do is try to do the arms. On the arms, I'm pulling up. See right here. You see how my elbows bend? Same with my knee right here. Whereas Grace right now, she's almost straightened up her elbow. That's very, very common that I see a lot of people trying to do at the beginning level. So make a conscious effort to try to pull, try to bend your elbow as you bend your knee. I know it's counterintuitive if you've never done it before, but it takes a while, but once you get it, it should be in there. All right, so let's watch this one more time from the top. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so yeah, Grace wasn't even really trying to do the arms. That's all right, but when she does it, she's gonna have to try to remember to bend the arms and bend the knees at the same time. Okay, let's move forward to the next one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is our basic march forward and back. This is probably one of the first thing you'll probably learn even in a group exercise class like aerobics or a Zumba or something like that. All right. So even though this is mirrored, what I want you to do is march with the right leg forward. Okay. So this is my right leg right here. Sorry, let's go back here. This is our march. 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice on the 4, right? I'm leaning back on the 4. That's why I can put left leg on the 5. That's my 4. Go back on the 5 on the left leg. The biggest pitfall that I see a lot of people do is right on the 4. Rewind it real quick. Right on the 4, they're leaning forward. Grace is doing a great job. She's leaning back, so she's able to change her weight back and then go back to the left leg. So yeah, make sure that's the key right there. I'm gonna have another video. If you look at our previous video, you'll be able to find me explaining exactly how to do the march forward and back and side to side. All right, so we're just gonna touch on that real quick. Going back 5, 6, 7, 8. See, notice right on the 8, I'm leaning forward here, so this leg just taps. Okay, so if you put your pressure back onto this leg on the right leg here, you're gonna start with the left leg, which is wrong. So now you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. So the key right there on the 3, notice, rewind back one more time. Here we go. I have 1, 2, 3. Right on 3, I'm already pivoting. 4. 4 is that tap, okay? So my weight is on my right leg. 5, moving forward. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I stopped on the 8. Okay, let's move forward to the next part, next section. Here we go. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 8. This is our kickball change right here. That's all right. Grace is having a little bit of a hard time, but that's all right. We're going to break this down. Okay, so the kickball change, I've done previous videos explaining exactly what the kickball change does. Now, in this one, the first 8 count was tapping to the front. Let's check it out. 1 and 2. Watch the 2. I'm going to rewind it. The kickball change is still the same. 1, 1 and right on the 2. Watch the 2 where I put my feet down. Boom. Okay, so I just put it right in front of my other leg. 1 and 2. 3 and 4. All right, so I think Grace didn't really tap. That's all right, but she got her leg in the front. I think the main thing is the balance isn't very strong right now. So when your balance is not strong, it kind of tampers with your rhythm. So make sure the balance is strong. That's definitely the key. Okay. So again, this is 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay. So the first 8 count, I tap to the front. Now the second 8 count, I'm going to tap to the back. Watch this. 1 and 2. Not only do I tap to the back, but you see how my body turns. All right, so those are the 2 modifications that we did. Tap to the back, but also turn your body. 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. All right, so that's our kickball change. 2 8 counts. First 8 count, tap to the front. Second 8 count, tap to the back. Moving forward. Here we go. This is our dip. And we did 2 8 counts of this, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. Bringing it down. So the first thing I want you guys to do is work on that little bowing motion, right? Thank you. Thank you very much, all right? So now watch this. In the class, I explained what's important is this, okay? The first part, most people got. You guys got the bend. And the body is straight. If you remember the spine is straight. Grace did a great job, great spine. So you're not curving your body. Your spine is straight, and you're only bending right here at the waist, okay? So that's my 1. Coming back on the 2, right there. You guys see me breaking vertical. That's right, breaking vertical. So if you have a horizontal or a vertical straight line, your body doesn't stay at the vertical. It breaks it. It goes past the vertical. That means the hip is moving forward beyond the chest, okay? Grace did a good job. So that's the 2. Okay, one more time. 3 and then 4. There's that turn on the 4. I'm going to rewind it back just one more time. So when I step on the 1, when I move forward on the 1 right there, that's my right leg stepping forward. 1, up on the 2, okay? And notice on the 1, right on the 1. Both knees are straight. Grace, great job. Both knees are straight, okay? The common pitfall a lot of people do is right on the 1, they tend to bend their back knee. So if you're such a person that does that, be careful. Watch out. Study yourself. Watch yourself. Make sure you're not bending the back leg. Make sure both knees are straight. Okay, that's my 1, 2, 3. Right on 3. Notice I'm all ready to start my turn. Okay, I'm pivoting 3 and then 4. Right on 4, I'm already facing the other side, so I could do this again on the 5. Right on the 5, I want to start my left leg. 5, 6, 7. Again, right on 7, I'm starting my turn. And then right on 8, bam, I'm already back. All right? So I'm going to do this one more time. Watch this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right? So that's my little dip for the warm-up. Okay? Next part, let's move forward. Here we go. Let's check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so this is another warm up that we did with our bowing motion. You can check out our previous video for me to explain exactly what we're doing here. But basically, we're doing kind of like a 2-step. Just watch the bottom half. Just watch the leg. I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's pretty simple. Just focus on the bottom half. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're just slowing it down. Okay, we're doing half speed. So I go 5, 6, then 7, 8. That's what the legs are doing. Okay, so the first 4 count, 1, 2, 3, 4, we're doing single time. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6, 7, 8, you double. 5, 6 is the same. 7, 8 is the same. Watch this. We're gonna do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now double it, double it. Okay. All right. While we're doing that, we're doing this bowing motion. So now stop focusing on the bottom half. Start focusing on the upper half with the chest and the hip. See what the chest and the hip is doing. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's constantly. It's almost like I'm constantly taking a bow. Okay. Constantly taking a bow. So mixing those two together, when you've never done it before, it's going to be a little bit challenging at first, but you're going to be able to get it with enough practice. Again, if you need more help, breakdown of it, it's going to be in the description below. Check out the videos for that, okay? Or click on the link on the upper corner. All right. So again, let's put this together. Now, the warm-up that your instructor may have you do might be even longer than this, but these are just some of the simple hip-hop fundamentals we put together to get the body going. Warm up before you stretch. It's always a good idea to do that. So anyways, let's check this out one last time with Grace and I. Here we go. Go with the legs real nice. Some pivoting, some arms too, right? Walking forward. Make sure you know how to walk back on the same correct leg. Watch your balance on this one. Grace almost fell, but that's all right. That's our dip right there. Good. It's our tricky one right there. That's all right. So Grace learning for the first time. I'm very, very proud of her for getting on the video to do it with me. So thank you again, Grace, for doing this. And hope you guys learned something and took something out of it. If you did, please hit the like button and share with a friend or a family member who can benefit from it. Until next time, have fun, practice, and peace. I'm out.